Very ashik aura. It's a very sheltered man. It's a British accent. We are talking in the British accent. Brother. Yes, yes.
bro. Technology.
You can see technology. Dinosaurs are egg. Yes, yes, bro.
Elephants, elephants.
They live, but they.
Hello, brother. Hello, brother. How are you, brother? हम पे गार्डन पे आए brother.
Hello about that.
Technology.
Hello about that.
This is garden, bro.
जमीन
Is a two floor ऊपर से.
गार्डन और ये टेक्नोलॉजी है
माशाल्लाह.
माशाल्लाह
Hello, brother. You need to see garden. You want to see garden? Come to London, brother. Yes, brother. Yes, brother. It's water, brother. It's water, brother. Not come there. We need to go there. This way.
technology this way
This way.
come this way yeah
So, what is your name, brother?
Abhishek
Abhishek Sharma. Is
No, Abhishek Power.
Abhishek Sharma is I think
This is a black bamboo.
is black bamboo.
No, no, this is golden bamboo.
Golden.
It's black bamboo.
Yes, bro.
Bamboo, bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboo, bamboo. Oh, this is technology, yeah.
Yes, bro.
technology
This is
India.
yes.
This is India. India.
Yes, this is India.
The big India.
Big.
The big India.
Big Inga.
वो चेक करे जे कि अंदर चीज
This is what? This is technology, yeah.
This enjoy.
blue and blue yeah
What blow?
there's a blue in
Where?
what is oyster
Guys, you want to see?
guys want to
It's big.
It's there.
Big.
Big India.
it's a ostrich it's a dinosaur egg
Yes, bro. Oh my God. Try, bro. We can see. Will be. Enjoy.
yeah it's technology yeah bro
Its technology is very fast in the London, brother.
yeah it's very fast
So we can't see in the India, but
This is a law garden.
you
Law garden
come
is-
blog my blog.
Law garden in the London. This is law garden. One type of law garden.
Okay. So
See. This is law garden.
you want to say something in blog?
no I
You want to
see
say something? What is the garden? You like gardens?
yeah it's beautiful garden because
In not in the land.
this garden is not
Yes,
totally
yes.
in I think probably say it is a totally in air yeah garden is totally illusion
Yes, in the floor.
yeah in the
This is floor.
a roof garden yeah
It's not artificial. It's original tree. Everything.
everything is original
Original.
no artificial
So, wow,
can they go and the London is making me
we
fool
are friend with the university friend, so we need to. What is the map? Is map. You brother, you can see map. You don't know the map location, so you can use this.
this
India. Come, brother, come. My blog.
come brother come
You want to say something?
no
About gardens. You can see.
very good
Very good. Okay. Yeah, you can.
are good speaker in English
Yes. With the accents.
can we go to the Nando's
No. Yes. I want to eat something. Okay, brother.
do you want to drink the chill beer
Yes, brother.
here is beer bar
Beer bar, but I will next time. I will go next time. Okay, bro. You can see, brother. It's very nice street. It's very nice street. It's Digan Sharma. Digan. What about London? No.
London is good.
Good.
London is good, very good. Come to
Okay.
London. Come to London. Visit.
Come to baby London. Okay, come to Bamba.
Come to what?
Come to London.
Visit London.
You want to come London, so you have a visa, then you come to London.
Yeah, everything is artificial.
Not artificial, it's advanced technology in London.
It's all about technology.
Yes, bro, yes. You can say something in London. You can see something.
Just
About
chill and
London.
enjoy. Eat food, drink beer, and save water. And
Yes.
enjoy that.
With the British people drink bar a lot.
Just see. Just eat food and enjoy the food.
Yes.
Jai Shri Ram.
Hello, brother. We go outside in the gardens. Oh, brother. Oh, this is a very nice building there. You can see it's beautiful. This is London, brother. Many people drink. You can see, brother. The British people is are the drinking water and something drink. I think is what is it? No, brother. What is that going on? People, what is it?
I don't know what is going on in that.
People is what is drinking?
Look at the corporate servant.
Yes, corporate server.
Yeah, they
This
all are
people
working
is work in the office in the corporate areas in London. Yo, brother, I'm blogging, brother. You want to? Oh, Vishal. You want to eat something? You speak English, brother.
Speak English, bro.
Is bang. Revolt. Come, brother, come. What are you saying? Something. What is thing?
Today is a very bad day.
What is think about London?
What do you?
You see? You can see?
I can see a lot of big. Oh, just
Building.
show this building. Show this building.
Oh, very nice. Building is long. How to see building?
How to see your eyes, man?
I need to up down my
Do you want to hear my song?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Oh, someone, can you?
No, bro, say something in blog. Say something in blog, brother. What are you saying?
I'm not saying, I am singing right now, man.
Okay, brother.
Do you want to listen my song? Do you want to listen?
Okay, brother.
Yes, listen.
Brother, come, my blog.
Very ashik aura.
This,
Very big grandfather.
It's a very talented man.
is a British accent. We are talking in the British accent, brother. Yes.
Technology, bro.
Technology.
Technology.
You can see technology in the high building. Using the technology in making the building. We are hungry, so we are going to the cafe and
Nando's?
and we want to we want to eat the French fry and something other food.
Once more. You can sing. Yeah, once more.
You want
Give
to
me payment.
Sing it, yeah.
You want to eat
I'm
something?
not singing.
Bro, please.
You want to see something?
We'll give you.
One time.
Come.
You want to eat something?
Give me payment. Without payment, I'm not singing, brother.
This is area is corporate area. You can
Please come
see
this side,
the
guys.
building is big.
Brother,
Around
please
me.
come this side. Why are you
Okay, brother. So this is corporate area. Many people work in their building. Okay, brother. हेलो गाइस, हम आज आए खाने के लिए, ठीक है, कॉलेज फिनिश होने के बाद। तो તમે જોઈ શકો છો, જો ભાઈ ગાય એ मेरा फ्रेंड है, वो भी है, वो आयुष है। इस माइंड, उसका माइंड बहुत है अच्छा,
Very minded
कोई भी
person.
पूछ लो आप।
Very
ऐसा बात
minded.
है।
Very minded person.
यस, उसको खाना भी अच्छा आता है, बनाना बहुत बना लेता है। तो प्रपोज कर दो कोई भी, तो फायदे में रहेगा, फायदे में। जो कि घर जाएगी फायदे में रहेगी। खाना वो बनाता है। तू क्या खाना बना सकता है? अभी हम ऑर्डर क्या करने वाले हैं? हम ऑर्डर क्या करने वाले हैं? फ्रेंच फ्राई, ब्रदर, फ्रेंच फ्राई। यू वांट टू ईट
Yeah.
फ्रेंच फ्राई एंड अदर
French fries.
फ्रेंच फ्राइज। ओके ब्रदर, हमें इधर आए खाने के लिए, ठीक है। तो हम खाएंगे। दो फ्रेंड मेरा ऑर्डर देने के लिए गए, ठीक है। जैसे आएंगे तो हम उसकी भी मुलाकात करवाता हूँ, ठीक है। तो वेट ब्रो, आप देखो भाई, वो होटल है खाने के लिए, ठीक है। वो सब लोग खा रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है। जैसे हमें आएगा खाने, हम खा लेंगे, ठीक है। जो दो फ्रेंड है वहाँ पे जो ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। देखो गाइस, मंजीत को खा रहा है फ्रेंच फ्राई। आ गए, देखो मैं भी खा रहा हूँ। देखो अच्छी है ना, क्वालिटी है, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है। चलो हम खा लेते हैं, बाद में मिलते हैं, ठीक है। बाय बाय, टाटा। Did you eat something? French fry. Oh brother, okay. So how is it?
भाई खाने के बाद पुशअप कर रहा है।
भाई तो भागने के बाद ही ब्लॉग बनाता होगा।
गाइस, हमें खा लिया फ्रेंच फ्राई, बहुत अच्छी थी। तो कितना थी वो? 2000 की थी, 2000 की खाई हम। 2000 रुपया लगाने यार।
2000 लगा हुआ, सही बात है भाई।
सही है ना भाई ब्रदर? 2000 की फ्रेंच फ्राई खाई। बहुत अमीर है, इधर आके अमीर बन गए हम ब्रो। सो यू वांट टू कम विथ मी?
No.
So where are you going, brother?
You are come with me. I'm not come with you.
That's not good.
No, we going together, brother, together. This is mean.
It's only me or me. Me on me.
Hello guys, we enjoying everybody. You come in London and join our team. So here, come brother, bro.
See hot pics and go out of them.
Yes, bro, yes.
Yeah.
Immediate side is very big company in the Dubai. It's the fly. Yes, bro. So we are going home because university is finished now, and we have taken the breakfast.
Yeah, we have.